We're standing at the edge of something big, a moment where artificial intelligence is reshaping how we live, work, and move forward. AI can generate content, write code, and automate tasks at lightning speed. You may have even heard that technology will replace jobs, but history tells a different story. From mainframes to the internet, every technological advancement has created more opportunity. They didn't erase roles, they redefined them. Because technology doesn't understand nuance, it doesn't weigh cost against performance or find bias in the data. It can't imagine the system, architect the solution, or lead the change. In this era of transformation, the world doesn't need more AI bots to mimic code. It needs humans who can question, design, secure, and scale. Critical thinkers, creative problem solvers, the builders behind the breakthroughs. That's where you come in. In fact, developers matter now more than ever. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, software development roles are projected to grow much faster than average over the next decade. And employers are looking for professionals who can do more than keep up. They're searching for those who can lead. At DeVry, we see the evolution of AI as the beginning of something profound, an opportunity for innovation, creativity, and game-changing breakthroughs. Our bachelor's in software development was designed for this moment. Industry-aligned, ABET accredited, and future-focused. Our program challenges you to take your skills to the next level. Choose from specializations in AI and analytics, software design and engineering, or application development, and learn to build and integrate AI, develop cybersecure software, implement game and simulation technology, and produce immersive XR and VR web apps, all while receiving one-on-one guidance from industry-experienced professors and certified career coaches. Preparing for what's next starts now. Let's take the first step together. The future of work begins at DeVry.